ready for stint number 1. There we go. This is the first time I've ever done this. I got these things mounted like a few days ago. This is my view on my commute to work. And this is the Zealand Falls Trail. As I laid in black dress with my father in casket. Alrighty, welcome to the sunshiny Zealand hut. Just had my guests leave for the day. There was 6 old farts staying here last night. They were a good time. Footprints, the mud stained on the carpet, and it hard like my heart did. So there, we're going to be 33 guests tonight. I would marry you in an instant. Fuck your wife, would be your mistress, just to have you around. I was late for this, late for that, late for love, my life. When I die alone, it's only day 2. It's only Saturday. I have a 0 count tomorrow and Monday, so a lot of solitude to come. Sad song if you listen to the lyrics too close. Alrighty, let's show you something. So we have a lot of wood. I think I counted it up. There was like 57 or 59 blocks of 12. Theoretically, we should be able to go through that and be fine. But these 2 rows, especially this last one, is rotted. Wood is not the issue. Moisture and mold is. But the problem is drying it out. It's really musty. It doesn't burn good. And let's see what solution I come up with. I need you. Kettle's almost done. Just thinking about it. But I was late. I'm suffering from a conundrum. There's this metal plate, it's just bolted in there. I'm debating on taking this off. You can't buy them anymore because EPA regulations. It's a real conundrum. What I do need is wire. I want to make like a secondary shelf. It smells all musty from the moldy wood. It's flurrying outside. The only gift from my Lord was birth and a divorce. But I've read this script and the costume fits, so I'll play my part. It was a brisk 5 degrees this morning. And so these were in the kind of an outhouse building, and they froze solid, expanded, cracked, and fucking leaked on me yesterday. Those bastards. I'm gonna have to put them in a bucket inside. It's gone with the wind. All right, welcome to Zea-Cliff. This is the Pemigewasset Wilderness. In a place for the end. While I was up at Zea-Cliff, I think someone was on my porch. I won't be late for this. Oh, there you are. Late for that. Late for the love of my life. And when I die alone, when I die, I'll be on time. I really tried to film.